Hey, welcome back, and today I am going to solve the biggest problem people face when drilling. Alright, whenever you are drilling, a lot of dust, a lot of dust may come out from the brick or the cement, and this has been a big problem for me. And today I'm going to solve this problem. I just got this. Alright, this is BOSCH professional dust cap. I saw a lot of reviews in the internet. They asked me to get this. This is a dust collector used whenever you are drilling. Right, and you know that I do a lot of drilling. We're going to review this product right here. Alright, and inside here, right, you have this. Let me explain to you what is that. And this one right here, this is the main product. It's the main dust collector. You have this where you place the hole in the drill, and then all the dust will be collected down here. This cap right here is removable so that we can collect the dust and throw it out later. Right, so this one right here, okay, this one you may or you may not use this. Depends on you, depends on the drill. And for example, for my drill right here, I don't have actually to hold the dust collector in place. So if you don't have a drill that has something, right, you can use steel rod to hold the dust collector. It's okay, right? You can still do this with the drill bit right here, right? So for more information, they have included in the instructions. See here, this thing right here is used to hold the dust collector. Right, so I'm going to show you how to use this thing right here. I'm going to see how you can take this. So this is from BOSCH, and let's start drilling. So I'm ready, guys, to show you how to use this dust collector. I have placed my drill bit into the drill shaft. So for example, I'm going to drill this drywall, and there is a wood stud behind here. So I'm going to show you how to use this. For example, we are going to drill here. Just place this dust collector right where you need to drill. Right, and then insert the bit into this hole right here, and then you just start drilling. Let's see how it collects the dust. That's it. So as you can see here, so clean, you know, all the dust is collected right here, down here. So now you have a very clean hole drilled through the drywall, and everything is collected right here. So that is the use of a dust collector. This is from BOSCH. If you want to get this to Amazon, and do try this at home.